Nandito kami sa cinema ngayon. Tingnan mo si Lynn. Nalamig na. Movie date. Pre-Valentine's Day. Post pala. After the Valentine's. So. Got popcorn.
That happened so quick that it was just like slow motion at the time.
Popcorn.
There's such an imprint on your memory, you just can't forget about that.
Ran across, didn't have a look there, put the taxi out.
Guys, we're going out for dinner after our cinema. Cine Hub. Where's Dika? Cinema. So scary! Yung wrong turn! So ang tahimik sa buong Naura, guys. No people around. It's so cold. So maybe just cinema, no? Yeah. Just no dinner, cause only one at a time, no? So after we're going for dinner in the club. Oh, my face is so big. Hello, Dika. Manang Marilyn, Dai Marilyn. So did you have fun? Oh yeah. Are you scared? Oh. Mama.
Next time again, BMF.
Oh yeah. Wrong turn? Yeah. Wrong turn or new turn?
But next time only watch movie.
Yeah, that's right.
Hectic and dinner. Okay, BMF? Yes. Okay, Dika, only movie next time. And we will bring spring roll, okay?
Yeah. No popcorn anymore.
I don't like the popcorn. I like sweet popcorn. Yeah.
Me, I don't mind this.
I like sweet popcorn.
And bring rice too.
Then the rice
Picnic is just the four of us. No? And cherry. Oh dear. No? So now let's go to the club, okay, for dinner.
Hello, Kong. Hello? Hello, my friend. Oh, my friend, just 2 minutes away. We are coming. We're coming. I just want to make sure I am in the right place. Alright. See ya. Okay, see ya. Bye. See ya. Cherry's calling, guys, because she was already there. So, as we're still going there. Break my heart. Cherry going in the club. I think
I want Lee to do it. You work on the weekday, huh? Lee work on Wednesday.
Yes, I'm coming by Wednesday.
Who else I want? I want Len, Tracy, Lorena.
You think there's enough space?
Oh yeah. Just say like from Len, no, you know.
Just your name,
you
no.
know. Yeah. You gonna get steak?
I'll have a look which one.
What do you think? What you having, Marika? All decent.
we're here again. Welcome to there's a car park there, guys. Okay. Car park.
That one? 6:30.
Early because you're waiting.
So you didn't finish the movie?
No, we just finished it in Netflix.
Oh my.
Everyone.
You know what, Jin?
Where are you today? Huh?
Jin, we are mommy. Where is Jin? The black girl.
It's okay. I can get free
No, it's
too,
not.
isn't it? Huh? Hello. You say hello.
And it's
Hi.
not. Remember.
Where's Marilyn? Marilyn.
You want that Rihanna? Chicken nuggets and
So we're here in
chips,
the
or-
club now, guys. We're having our
They might
dinner.
order the
Huh?
same.
So mine is kids menu too.
I know what,
To give
I
it
know
to
what
me.
I want, so I'm gonna order this.
This is mine in the picture, Rihanna, okay? Including now.
Do you know how? Me and Rihanna is in the toilet. So you need to wash your hands now. She's very pretty. So that's the way when you wash your hands.
Wait, how do I turn this on?
Like that. I How much?
It's aggressive.
Grow some. Just washing her hands.
Nice. The water feels nice.
That waste the water, right? Did you enjoy your dinner? Yes?
Yes.
Me too. So that's the toilet there, guys. You scared me. Are you ready? Do it again. Going home na, guys. After our nice dinner.
I'll take a picture.
Cheeky girl. Thank you, ladies, for today.
BFF know how to pose, huh? Chin up.
How about me? Did I chin up?
Chin like. Chin like.
Oh my goodness.
Because do you have junk for?
Now you feel the cold, Cherry?
Yep. I could
I'm
hardly
not
walk.
cold. I'm not cold. I'm not cold.
I'm cold, so. So that's the two cars, so let's go.
Only his brother told before.
Thank you,
I
guys.
get the
See you
teddy bear.
next time.
I get the teddy bear.